back to my channel. I'm here with another YouTube video. Excuse me for my janky ass nails. I picked them off, but I can't pick the last three off. I don't know why. Today we have no makeup on. We're just gonna be doing another makeup look. But yeah, let's just get straight into the makeup. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows, get my makeup brushes, and then I will be right back to continue on to this makeup video. I'm wearing my like naturally curly hair. It's kind of like the hairstyle in the video I did like 2 videos ago. But this time I left my hair like naturally curly. So I think it looks cuter, and we have a bit of a messy bun going on. Just finished my eyebrows. That, for some reason, I don't know why I'm taking a long time to do everything today. Like, I swear I could not close the cap to this eyebrow pomade like for the life of me. But today we're just gonna come up with a cute little makeup look. The palettes that I wanted to use today, or that I have out with me right now, are the Too Faced Life's a Festival Peace, Love, and Unicorns palette. And then I also have the Truly Madly Deeply palette. And then I have Lovebird palette. We're gonna first apply some primer, and I'm gonna move my hair back for now so it doesn't like get in the way. And then, oh, my eyes look so bad. And then we're gonna start applying, and I want to start kind of right away. So I'm trying to think, where do I want? I'm gonna start off with Too Much from this palette, and I'm gonna start off towards the end. So just dip into that. Ooh, that's pretty, bro. And then just start applying up towards your brow bone, like as high as you can. I'm gonna try a different look today. I'm just gonna kind of wing it out just a little bit. And then going in with the next color, which is in the Lovebird palette. And we're going with this color. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't even want to tap it. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna tap it. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I just got it all over me. There's so much fallout. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Y'all, do you see this color? I'm in love. I'm absolutely obsessed with that shade. Dude. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with the Life's a Festival palette. I'm going with this color. And then that blue color. We're looking kind of crazy. We're looking crazy. And then I'm just gonna blend everything out. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Go back in with that ColourPop shade and cut that crease really big. And then I'm going in with from the Truly Madly Deeply palette and going in with Matter of Fact, and we're just going to set that crease we just made. Where I see it is completely set. And now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I'll be right back, and then we're gonna finish the look. So I just finished doing the second side of my look. What I'll do is go back in with that e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm gonna dip into this palette, and I'm gonna get this color, and this one is called Fun in the Sun, and it's a kind of like a greenish holographic, and I'm gonna apply that to the ends of my makeup on both sides. Because I want to darken up the look, I'm going to go in with this palette on this color, and this one's called No Regrets. So I'm going to put it on the outside, and you're going to want to put it at an angle. And to give it its last hurrah, I'm going to go in with Eyelid Hopper, and I'm going to take my little pointer finger and just dip in it a little bit, and then the rest of the empty space that we got right here, you're gonna fill it with that one. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So that is the finished eye look. I'm gonna go in a little closer. Now I'm going to apply mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back, and then we're gonna finish the rest of the makeup look. I'm gonna go in with Sweetheart lashes in the style Kate, so they just look like this. There is one lash down. Now we're gonna do the other. I don't want to record it because it's taking too long, so I'll be right back. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my Smashbox primer. Just looks like that. I've been loving this primer recently. It is the H2O primer. I'm just gonna use some of that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Derma Blend foundation, and it's the Blurring Camo. Cosmetics palette. And now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics blush palette as well. We're pretty much set with everything else. I'm going to take my hair down. I'm going to just take my Fenty Beauty highlighter, the thing that I've been holding like the whole time. I'm going to apply highlight. And we're going to do the nose after. And this is not really like a centered highlight. It's more of like a very spread out. And then I'm going to take my mascara and apply it on that bottom lash line. So now I'm going to take this brown liner and line my lips. We are going to go in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick today. I kind of want to go in with the lightest shade since my lip look is so dark. So I'm going to go in with the shade I'm Nude. Just looks like this. Super, super cute. I'm going to just take I'm Nude and start applying it. Wow, that's really... Look at y'all. That is the perfect nude. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I think this is my shit. This is my color. Like, I think I'm for sure gonna buy I'm Nude the full size and this liner again. What the heck? But I'm obsessed. This look was so quick and so easy. And I say this every video because literally I'm obsessed every video with my makeup. Like, and then I'm gonna take my finger and dip into the highlight as much as I can and apply that to the tip of my nose. Y'all, look at that. I'm obsessed. I am completely finished with the makeup look. I'm super obsessed. I'm gonna say that a million times. Like literally, y'all should comment how many times I say I'm obsessed with the look.